Hi, my name is Judy, and let's talk home maintenance. Don't let small issues turn into big problems in your home. Here are some annual tips to keep your home in tip-top shape. Number one, you're going to want to inspect your roof to make sure it's free of any leaks. Number two, you're going to want to check your gutters for clogs or leaks. If it gets too clogged, it will leak into your home, which can cause another issue. Number three, test your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors to make sure that they are working properly. You don't want to mix up. Number four, clean and service your HVAC AC unit. Typically, if your home is 5 or under, you can do it once a year. If you have a home 5 years and up, you're going to want to do it twice a year to keep it running effectively. Number five, which a lot of us forget, is to check our windows, our doors, and all the weather stripping in your home so that there's no wind draft coming in. What that does is it allows no air to be going out and no air to be coming in, and it keeps your electricity bill low. Number six, you're going to want to make sure that you have no pests in your home. Now, granted, that's not going to be a energy efficient thing. It's just a icky thing, right? And how do they get in your home? You have to find their access point because that can also cause another major problem. Number seven, check all plumbing to make sure that there are no leaks under your sinks, from your sink, in your bathrooms, anything. Make sure there's no leaks in your home. It can save you on your water bill. And last but not least, number eight, you're going to want to check all of your major appliances because if it's not running properly, it may be pulling too much energy, which is causing your electricity bill to go high. So make sure to check to see that. If you have any questions in regards to any of these tips, please reach out to me because I would be happy to help you. My name is Judy, and I am here to guide you home.